Welcome to ifactioner.com video tutorials. مرحبا بكم في ifactioner.com video tutorials. Learn English. تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية. Lesson 9. Buying the vegetables. Buying the vegetables. Vegetable, potato or potato, potato or potato, tomato or tomato, tomato or tomato, lady finger, lady finger, cabbage, cabbage, cauliflower, cauliflower, vegetable, potato or potato, tomato or tomato, ladyfinger, cabbage, cauliflower, carrot, carrot, cucumber, cucumber, bitter gourd, bitter gourd, bitter gourd, onion, onion, garlic, garlic, carrot, cucumber, bitter gourd, onion, garlic. How much the carrots cost? How much the carrots cost? Are the cucumbers fresh? Are the cucumbers fresh? How much the potato cost? How much the potato cost? Give me 1 kilo onions. Give me 1 kilo onions. How much do I owe you? How much do I owe you? Learn English by ifactioner.com. Lesson 9. Buying the vegetables. Vegetable, potato or potato, tomato or tomato, ladyfinger, cabbage, cauliflower, carrot, cucumber, bitter gourd, onion, garlic. How much the carrots cost? Are the cucumbers fresh? How much the potato cost? Give me 1 kilo onions. How much do I owe you? Please subscribe, like and share. شكرا.